What's up guys, my name is Shaan and today I'm going to be reviewing the Sudio Tolv truly wireless earbuds. But before I go ahead and get started, make sure to go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications by hitting the bell to be the first ones to watch my videos. I also just hit 6k subs, so thank you guys so much for that. I would also like to quickly mention that Sudio did go ahead and send out this product to me, and if you use code Shaan M at checkout you will get a discount. So when opening up the actual Sudio designing sound box, it is actually very nice laid out and also has a nice little wrapping paper that says Sudio on it with the actual device box itself. Now on the front it says Sudio True Wireless Earbuds, 7 hours of Playtime graphene drivers, what I've never heard of but is actually really good. It comes with a couple different things that I will go over. It has a total of 34 hours of playtime, so that means 4 times of recharge with your 7 hours. What was completely insane from the moment I saw that, and that's why I think it's actually a very good pair of earbuds. Just for the battery itself is actually insane. Now going and looking in the box, you get the device itself and accessories. Looking at the device after that, it looks very nice, comes in a nice case, and I'll show you more in a little bit. Now taking a look at the accessories box itself, it comes with a couple things inside that you definitely will be using and I definitely recommend. So opening up the box itself, the first thing you go ahead and get is the user manual kind of thing, what you can go ahead and use, but I'm going to explain to you how to go ahead and use it anyways. And you can get a 18-month warranty if you go ahead and activate it within the 3 months online, what is pretty cool. The next thing you do go ahead and get is a warranty card, what just tells you you could send it back anytime. You get certain digits on the top where you can go ahead with your 1-year warranty with the actual device. What is great that they do actually go ahead and prove and can go ahead and give you warranty at any given time, plus you get that 18 months now. You also get a micro USB cable, very tiny. To be honest, I would have liked it to be longer, but that doesn't matter. You also get 3 extra earbud tips, what I did go ahead and change mine, and it's great that they do provide it as everyone has different ear sizes and it's definitely really helpful to keep it in your ear. Now the device itself over here, this is the charging case, it says Sudio on it, and on the back has a LED red and white with the micro USB input. It also comes with a little thing saying charge it to 100% before use. That's okay, you will already do that, and it comes with this little strap to the side, what I'll talk about more a little bit. Now before I go ahead and say anything, when you open it up, it has a nice magnetic click, what feels really nice, and comes with the Sudio earbuds inside, what is great to go ahead and use. The moment you take out the device, it will automatically pair with your device. You'll just have to go on your phone and use it. Pretty easy and straightforward, very easy to go ahead and use. And as you can see, when you do go ahead and remove the device, there are the little connector pieces over there, what are the metal, what allowed the device to go ahead and charge. It's both in the case and on the device itself. Doesn't even bother you at all, as you won't even be able to feel it. The device does have a white and red light to indicate when it is going to go ahead and charge, and the back will also say so, and when it is fully charged the red light will go away and the white light is there just to indicate that it is charging. As you can see, it is charging at this moment. Now both the earbuds do have buttons to go ahead and skip and go to the previous songs, answer calls, or whatever, like going ahead using Google or Siri as your assistant. It also says Sudio at the front of both earbuds, and as always feels very nice in the ear. These earbuds are also completely sweat proof, so you can rest assured that you can go ahead and work out with them, what was a big plus for me. And that also means you can technically go out in the rain and be perfectly fine. Although it isn't waterproof, it is sweat resistant, what is actually really cool. And the device itself with the graphene drivers blew my mind because it was actually very good. Not a lot of bass, very focused on treble, mids, and highs, what is great for listening to videos and all of that. Now the case itself does have the string that is non-removable, and to me that was a very big downside, to be completely honest. I don't like it. Most people probably don't, but maybe some people might, because it's a nice little key ring, I guess, but it was purely annoying to myself. Now, the earbuds itself, like I was saying, is great for actual music, and you can listen, watch movies, go ahead, watch YouTube, watch this video even with it, and it just sounds amazing. It also doesn't come out no matter how much you shake it. As you can see in this clip right over here, I was able to go to Black Friday with it in the US. I was able to go ahead and change tires without it even falling out, moving in multiple different angles and working out, what is actually insane. Now, the device Sudio Tolv is the latest from the company itself. It goes for $170 Canadian, so with tax and all that, it will come up to $200 Canadian. When you use code Shaan M, you will get a discount, what is great to help you save a little bit more. So make sure to go ahead and use that at checkout. The device, like I said, I would recommend to anybody. It's actually such a great device. The case itself is amazing. The device looks great, sounds great. The only downside was that string to the side, because to be honest, that was literally the only downside to me, at least. For some, it may be actually the greatest thing in the world. But if you are for music, sound, and everything, for the price $180, it's definitely very, very good. That's all for the video today, guys. If you guys did like, make sure to give it a like. Also subscribe, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.